So the first question in equation of the line, find the slope and the y-intercept of the line 2x minus 3y minus 4 is 0. So for getting the slope, we have to write what y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, y is equal to what? Mx plus c. So we have to rearrange the equation. Y on the left hand side and rest all of the things on the right hand side. So it is minus 3y. That's the reason I should only get what? Y. So dividing throughout by what? Minus 3. So I'll be getting what? Minus 2 by minus 3, 4 by minus 3. So I'll be getting what? M. What is my M? 2 by 3. Correct? Yes. And my y-intercept is nothing but whatever is the constant. What is the constant here? Minus 4 by 3. In the sense, for you to write it here, yeah, y is equal to mx plus c. So m is nothing but 2 by 3, and this c is nothing but what? My y-intercept. So that is minus 4 by 3. So that's all for this. Next question, given two straight lines, correct? 3x minus 2y is equal to 5, and they given one more thing. One more line. Find the value of k for which two lines are parallel. For the lines which is parallel, for parallel lines, slope value is same. M is same. For perpendicular line, M1 dot M2, that is M1 multiplied is equal to minus 1. M1 dot M2 is equal to what? Minus 1 respectively. Okay, so product of two slope is equal to minus 1. Clear? Yes. Okay, so these things is required. So parallel lines M value will be same. Perpendicular lines M1 dot M2 is equal to minus 1. That's the only thing we have to know. Let me delete this drawing. Parallel to each other, correct? So rearranging the equation y is equal to mx plus c, and this is y is equal to mx plus c. I'm getting what? Slope value is what? 3 by 2, and here also minus 2 by k, correct? M1 is equal to M2. Then I can find the value of k. K is what? 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 by 3. That's all. K value I got. Next one, perpendicular. Product of these two things is what? Minus 1. So cancel this 2 and 2, correct? And obviously, common sense is what? This should be 3 only. This is minus 2 and this is 2. So to get minus 1, what should be the k value? 3. That's all. Then only you'll be getting minus 1. Or else you can do the normal cross multiplication and get the value. That is, cancel this 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 will get cancelled. K will go this side. K is equal to 3. Or else use the common sense. What is the common sense? End of the day, you get minus 1. So these two values should be equal. 3 and 3. That's it. So that is a new way we have to think. So basically, I'm just teaching you how to think fast. Next one. Find the equation of line passing through the points and parallel to the line. Parallel to the line 2x minus y is equal to 4. So whenever you get these kind of equations, first make sure that you put what? Y is equal to mx plus c. What is my m? How do I write it? Just rearrange. Just take this y to this side and 4 to this side. So I'll be getting equation y is equal to 2x minus 4. So once I get this, I'll get what? The slope. Parallel to the line. Parallel means what? Slope of both the lines are same. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So like that, I can find the equation of the line. Okay, so if this is 2, this is also 2. But in perpendicular line, that is in my next question, this concept will not work out. See, but if you can see here, the next question, find the equation of the line passing through the points minus 2, 3, and it's perpendicular to the line. So here also I found out the slope minus 2 by 3. Correct? So the other one should be what? According to my logic, 3 by 2. You got the point. 3 by 2. So the same equation here, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Instead of m, what I had to put? I had to put 3 by 2 here. So compare and study. Compare and study. Okay. And then y1 and x1 value, we'll put this x1 and y1 value in this question. That's the only thing. So next one, given 2 points, a minus 5 comma 2 and b 1 comma minus 4. Find the midpoint of AB, slope of AB, slope of the perpendicular to AB, equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so midpoint P of AB. So that is basically what? X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2, midpoint. Correct? So whatever is the value, minus 5 plus 1 by 2 and 2 plus minus 4 by 2. I'll be reading the two equations. Slope of AB, simple formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So put here x1, y1, put here x2, y2, just substitute y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next one, slope of the line perpendicular to AB. Slope of the line perpendicular to AB is what? Minus 1 by slope of AB. So what is slope of AB? Minus 1 by minus 1. That's all. Already we got the slope. We'll get plus 1. Fourth one, equation of the perpendicular. Okay. So if I'm getting slope of the AB as minus 1, perpendicular value will be what? Just the opposite of this. Why? Because the product of those two things, m1 dot m2 should be equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into what will give me minus 1? Minus 1 into 1 will give me minus 1. So m is equal to 1. Correct? So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what is my y1 value? If it's a point P, already it's a midpoint, minus 2 and minus 1, correct? So y minus minus 1, y plus 1 is equal to 1 into x minus x1. So x minus minus 2, x plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 1. So that's it. The last question in this, ABCD is the rhombus. The coordinates of A and C are 3, 6 and minus 1, 2. Find the equation of BD. Okay, so draw the rhombus first, mark the 2 points. Correct? Mark the 2 points. So P is a midpoint. So by using the midpoint formula, 3 plus minus 1 by 2 and 6 plus 2 by 2. You'll get the midpoint of this 1, 4. Same thing what we did, slope of AC. Correct? Slope of AC. Then we know what to do. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We will be getting 1. Correct? Then BD. What equation of this line? Okay. They're asking to find what? Equation of BD. So BD is perpendicular to AC, right? So if this slope value is 1, what is BD value? Opposite of it, minus 1. Correct. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Correct? Y1 value. Y1 value is what? 4. What is my x1 value? 1. Substitute and get the answer. So that's all for this. And these are match the following things. So this is very easy.